Hello everyone. Today I'm making chicken shish kebab on the grill. Chicken kebab is a classic summertime option. An easy dinner can also be baked in the oven. This comes in handy for those bad weather days. You can also make it with any other vegetables, but today I'm making it with chicken and peppers. The marinade is the most important part as the longer it waits, the better it tastes. Let's start cooking. Start cutting the chicken into cubes and set aside. Shred the onion and squeeze it over a deep bowl. The onion juice is the first part of our marinade. Smash or shred the garlic. Now add tomato paste, yogurt, and all the spices. Add an oil. Mix it well. And place the chicken in the bowl. Mix again and ensure your chicken is fully coated in the marinade. Cover the top, place in the fridge, and let it wait 5 to 6 hours. Before you're ready to grill, soak your wood skewers in water for an hour so they don't burn. Alternate your placement of the chicken and peppers on the skewers. When all your skewers are ready, cook on the grill with low heat. They should cook slowly so they don't burn and remain juicy. Getting closer to enjoy. We're having our chicken shish kebabs with bulgur rice, roasted eggplant salad, and roasted zucchini with yogurt sauce. You can find those recipes on my channel or enjoy with your own sides. Afiyet olsun. Enjoy!